Hey, this is Paul. This is a repair for Brian. This is a K5515 medium res Wells Gardner chassis I repaired for him. Came in to me completely dead. Fuse was blown. Flyback was blown. Hot was blown. Replaced all that. Gave it a good cap kit. And we got a good looking picture. I didn't have the right yoke for this, so I'm using as close as I can to just give it a quick test. I'm not going to leave it on too long because it's the wrong yoke, but it's working. And he got full deflection. This is identical to a K4900. This is the 25-inch version. Medium resolution. There's a new flyback, new hot, full cap out. Everything's looking great on this guy. Picture's looking awesome. Normally I wasn't going to take it because I didn't have a yoke, but I took it because 4900s are pretty easy to work on to begin with. So I got a good looking picture going on. I'm going to send this guy back. It's looking good. It should have no problems with it. I'll box it up. See ya.